Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to restrict your cell based on a single criteria. Right? As we can see in our data, we have the name, the department, the status, and the check status. So what we are trying to achieve is that if your status contains no, we want entry to be restricted on this particular column, on this particular cell rather. You can see for this cell as well, you can see no on this status. We want entry to be restricted in on this particular cell as well. So to achieve this, we'll be using data validation. So all you need to do is to come to your data tab, then your data tools group, open it, click on it, right? So let me do that again. Select column D, right? You come to your data tab, data validation, open it, right? So you can see validation criteria. Click on this drop down here, then the custom. Then you'll be using this formula equal sign indirect, right? So indirect, open your brackets, right? So the column we are trying to focus on here is what? Column C. So you type it, open your double quotes, column C, right? Put a space, ampersand, right? So ampersand row. So open your brackets and close it. So what are we looking for in column C? We are looking for column. What are we looking at in column C? We are looking for any entry that contains no. So we put that in a double quote as well. No, right? So it comes to this error alert. So what do you want to pop up anytime you type anything there? So you can just put invalid, right? So data entry is not allowed here, right? So you look at the formula again, then click on no. So you can see here we have no. So let's try to input anything there. Let's put, you can see data entry is not allowed here. But if you type anything for this one that has that contains yes, it will work. It will work. But let's try for this one again. Can you see? So thank you very much for watching this video.